Okay, so another thing that we can do also is the curved lines. So the curved line or the path allows you to take your lines and then you're just going to mark them as you go. So it's just going to be little sections that allow the line to continue all the way through, and you just stay as true as you can to the spots where you want to trace over top of. And what this is going to allow you to do then is to come all the way through. And then the thing about it is you do have to go back up to where you started. So we're going to have to go around this little part of the mouth right here. Oh, come on, come outside. Here we go. And now I'm going to run through my eye right here. And then I'm going to go over to the corner. And then I'm going to stop right there so I can get back into my path. And now once I've gone all the way through, that's how you do it. So it's up to you if you like to freehand it, if you like to use the straight lines. Here's the same thing with the straight lines. Again, it's pretty much the same thing. You have to, so you can't go through. So you have to stop at where you are to get around. And remember, you have to get back to where you started from. That's the thing about using the straight lines. It's a little easier sometimes when you're just doing like the mouth here by itself. Doing it this way is something I would probably feel more comfortable freehanding, but you don't have to freehand it. If you go back and forth, you can do that too. So a straight line from there to there and back to my starting point. Again, up. And as long as I get back to my starting point, it makes it through. Again, here I can go 1, 2, 3, and then back and back. All right, so that gives you the idea. So then we just finish out our mouth right here. All I have to do is finish where I left off before. The nice thing about using these lines is that you can be a little more specific about what you're trying to accomplish, and don't worry about your other lines and going over top of lines. If you're a little off, we're going to fill all that in with color anyway. So it's not really going to make a big difference in the end. These are just giving you your idea of where we're going. And there we go. So now that I'm done, I can now take my picture, my original clip art, and I can move it out of the way so I can see what's actually there.